Hello guys and welcome back to YT Chat. Today in this episode we're doing a building video. In this video we're going to be doing some building and building something new. Now as you guys know, I recently, in the past few months, built a gaming PC, but it didn't have enough plug-in areas for all the cables, so now I'm going to make a bigger and better gaming PC. So after this, it's going to be good. So let's get started.
bensound.com. 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 bensound.com.
Okay guys, we took the pictures off. Now it's time for these bad boys to go in the landfill. Okay guys, I did throw them out of the window. Now I'm going to use this bread knife to cut the cardboard and build it. So let's go. Okay guys, and after looking at the images of gaming PCs and looking at one in IKEA yesterday, I decided to use some tools for this. So come on, let's look inside the tool room. I think I found the perfect tool. You guys can see right here, I just finished building the PC. It comes with a square hole, two rectangle and circle. And for the final piece of touch, I just had this remote, and when I press on, this is what happens. It's cool, right? Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed, and make sure to like and subscribe. And that's all. See you guys next time. Bye.
bensound.com.